How to export chat Telegram. First of all, open the Telegram on your device and open a chat that you want to export. Now, from the top right side, you will find the three dots. Click on that, and from this menu, find Export Chat History and click on it. A new window will pop up on the screen where you will find media options to select that you want to export. Once selected, you can set the data limit to export by sliding the line. After that, you can choose the export file format that you want to receive, so choose one accordingly. Also, set the path where the file will be saved after exporting. Next, you can set the limit of time. From this calendar, select the start year or date and also the end date or time. Once all is done, finally click on export. It will take a few moments to initialize the process and start exporting. Once the process is complete, click on Show My Data and it will take you to the location where the file is saved. And that's it. This is how you can export Telegram chat. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.